In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Gymshark discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Gymshark discount promo code. Right here, go to couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see, we have a list with some promo codes right here that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this 10% discount of your order, all you need to do is select show coupon code from right here, and this is the promo code. You can copy the discount code from right here, and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we also have this website which is called simplycodes.com. And right here, you also have some promo codes that you can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this 20% discount, all you need to do is select show code right here or copy code. And this is the promo code. You can copy this promo code from right here and you can use this one on your next purchase in order to get the 20% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.